इंडिया को मिली करारी हार, क्या वे कर पाएंगे पलटवार? लेट्स सी इन द सेकेंड T20I दैट इज गोइंग टू बी हेल्ड बिटवीन इंडिया एंड इंग्लैंड। तो पहला T20 तो इंडिया हार गई बहुत ही बुरे तरीके से, बल्लेबाजी नहीं चली, गेंदबाजी में भी रन पड़े। तो अ बिग थम्स डाउन फॉर इंडियन टीम। सबसे पहले द प्रॉब्लम वाज द रोटेशनल पार्ट। आप इंग्लैंड टीम को ट्रोल कर रहे थे उसी चीज़ पे कि वो जॉस बटलर को वापस भेज रहे हैं टेस्ट सीरीज़ के लिए, बेस्टो को नहीं खिला रहे। फिर आपने खुद भी तो वही किया ना, जो रोटेशनल पॉलिसी थी आप भी उस पर खरे उतरे। आपने रोहित शर्मा को रेस्ट दिया। जो अभी वर्ल्ड टेस्ट चैंपियनशिप है उसका एक मैच है आपको T20 वर्ल्ड कप के लिए प्रिपेयर करना है, तो आपकी पूरी टीम को खेलना पड़ेगा। आप ऐसे रेस्ट नहीं दे सकते प्लेयर्स को। So you will have to make them play T20Is so that they get that experience. राहुल जल्दी आउट हो गए। विराट कोहली खराब शॉट मार कर आउट हुए। फिर डक पर जल्दी आउट हो गए शिखर धवन। श्रेयस अय्यर और ऋषभ पंत ने थोड़ी सी इनिंग संभाली और अंत में थोड़ा सा हार्दिक पांड्या ने भी साथ दिया। 124 तक लेके गए टीम को, which was we all knew not a defendable total. And the pitch was a bit different. In test match, it was a rank turner. The soil was loose and the ball was turning. But here, the pitch was a bit flatter. There was a bit dew element, and the captain, Ian Morgan, chose to bowl first as he knew about the pitch. He was present out there and he felt that pitch. He has that mindset and not thinking about the future, just thinking about to win in the present. We want that old Virat Kohli back who was hungry for the wins. Now Virat Kohli is like, win and lose are a part of the game. We win sometime, we lose sometime. Earlier Virat Kohli was grinding for the win. We want that Virat Kohli back. And also Virat Kohli, the batsman, is not scoring from many days. His 71st 100 is in the waiting list for a long time. In T20Is, he is considered one of the greatest anchors. So he shall anchor the inning and stay till the end. But he played a very poor shot at the start of his innings and got out. That is not what is expected from Virat Kohli. And from the bowlers part, I would say that we expected much from Yuzvendra Chahal, but he disappointed all of us. He got leaked for runs. Bhuvneshwar was nice. Akshar also got leaked a bit. Washington Sundar was really nice, and we saw the rhythm that Hardik Pandya brought. That is a really nice balance and the rhythm that he brings when he bowls and bats. So that is a really nice thumbs up for Hardik Pandya. From the England side, brilliant batting from Jason Roy and Joss Butler. As I said, Joss Butler can be their X factor. I still think he'll be their X factor in the second game, as he gives them brilliant starts and can allow the middle order to take their time and be explosive at the end. Jofra Archer was brilliant with the ball at the start, at the end. He's just a brilliant bowler. He's developing into a great. He has that pace, he has that accuracy, he has that bounce, he has that death bowling skills. पर जो ऋषभ पंत ने उनके साथ खिलवाड़ किया, that reverse lap shot was just brilliant. That was the moment of the match. But still, brilliant bowling from Jofra Archer took 3 wickets, 3 important wickets. And we say that a batsman is the most important part of a run chase, but इस बारी जोफ्रा आर्चर थे जिन्होंने नींव रखी रन चेस की, क्योंकि उन्होंने रिड्यूस करा टारगेट को थोड़ा सा. आई थिंक इंडिया वर 30 to 40 runs behind. That was because of Jofra Archer. He stopped those runs. He took those important wickets, and that's why the run chase was reduced and became easier for the English batsmen. According to me, Jofra Archer was the player of the match. So now let's move on to the second T20I. First, the playing 11s. Indian team mein I would want that instead of Shikhar Dhawan, Rohit Sharma comes in, and I would want to add a pacer. Washington Sundar provides you that batting, so I'll have him there. He also bowled nice. Yuzvendra Chahal is your primary spinner, so I think Virat Kohli will give him another chance. I think Akshar Patel will be out, and the pacer that will come in, according to me, should be Navdeep Saini. Many people are suggesting Deepak Chahar, but Deepak Chahar and Bhuvneshwar Kumar are the same type of bowlers. New ball, swing the ball away and in. But I want someone with the height, with bounce. Because I have that accurate bowler in Shardul Thakur, I have that swing bowler in Bhuvneshwar Kumar. Now I want that height and bounce. So I'll have Navdeep Saini in my team. English side में I don't think कि कोई या change की गुंजाइश है. So I think they will play with the same team. And my X Factor player from the Indian team this time would be Rishabh Pant. He's in tremendous form and he's batting really well, explosively, and he's toying with the bowlers. Plus, he'll keep wickets so he can take catches as well. You can depend on him, make him your captain or vice captain in your fantasy teams. And from the English side, I'm going for Josh Butler again. He'll provide them explosive starts and let the middle order, that is their core, like David Malan and Ian Morgan, Ben Stokes, build their innings and play explosively at the end. That would provide a body to their innings and their team. It will be a difficult task for India to win, but we will see, because India, as I said, is a team full of match winners. Anything can happen. England is a strong side, but India bhi kam nahi. Please like, share, and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.